Okay, the first thing you need to do is put your name at the top of your packet. When you're done, go ahead and press pause, put your name at the top, and when you're done, press play. Okay, today we're going to talk about greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, so if it's greater than, the symbol goes this way. If it is less than, the symbol goes this way. And then if it is equal to, the symbol is like this, okay? So it says the store sold 32 toys on Friday. It sold 16 toys on Saturday. Write the numbers to compare the numbers. Okay, so we have 32 on Friday, right? 32, a 3 and a 2, and then 16 on Saturday. So if we look at this number compared to this number, we know that 32 is greater than 16, right? So we're going to do a greater than symbol right in the middle of the two numbers. Go ahead and open it up to see and show. Your math packet should look like mine. If it doesn't, raise your hand and the substitute will help you. Okay. And if you need to press pause throughout the whole video, okay? All right, it says compare, right? Greater than, less than, or equal to, okay? So we have 63 and 35. 6 tens, 3 ones, 3 tens, 5 ones. So 63, is the number 63 greater than, less than, or equal to 35? It is greater than. We're going to put it in the bubble. Move on to number 2. Is 21 greater than, less than, or equal to 21? It is equal to. It's the same number. All right, number 3. 12 and 24. Is 12 greater than, less than, or equal to 24? And it is less than 24. It's a smaller number, right? All right, 35. Is 35 greater than, less than, or equal to 43? It is less than. Okay, go ahead and make sure you have all those symbols correct. You're going to flip your packet like a pancake to on my own. Okay, I'm going to do these last two with you, and then you are going to do the rest on your own, okay? If you feel like, hey, I really understand this and I could help some other friends, please ask the substitute and you may help other friends if they say that's okay. All right, 65, is that greater than, less than, or equal to 54? And it is greater than 54, right? All right, 33, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 33? And it is equal than because it is the same number, okay? You're going to do the same thing throughout the packet of either putting greater than, less than, or equal to in the bubbles, okay? That's all you have to do. Down here it says circle the number that is less than the green number. So here's 80, here's the green number. It wants you to circle the number that's less than the green number. So I would circle 79 because it is less than the green number. I'll do one more of these. It says circle the number that is less than the green number. So we have 95, 100, or 90. I'm going to circle 90 because it's less than 95. Please do 21 on your own. Down here it says circle the number that is greater than the green number. So we have 65, at 61, and 71. I'm going to circle 71 because it is greater than 65. Do the same thing for 23 and 24. Pause your video if you need to. We are going to go ahead and we are going to X out the back of this for today. Go ahead and take your packet up to the substitute when you're done so they can double check it. And then you're going to get started on your homework, okay? This is your homework. Please don't worry about the vocabulary check on the back. So on the front of your homework, you're doing the same thing you did on your math packet. And same thing here. For number 14, it says, Mike has 25 toys, Lucy has 31 toys. Who has more, Mike or Lucy? And write the name on the line. When you're done with all of it, take it back up to the substitute so they can check it and put it in your mailbox if it is done. And they will let you know what you're doing next. All right, guys, that's it.